Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and thank you for watching my channel. And thank you very much for all the compliments, all the comments, all the likes, all the subscriptions that you've given me in the last 1 week. And today I have a different menu. It's a fillet item, a fish fillet. I've made it with tuna fish. It's very simple to make and it won't take more than 15 minutes for you to prepare at home. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you for all the feedbacks and all the comments. Any problems you have, please comment it below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thank you. Let's get cooking. So I've just got some tuna chunks here from the tin. It's tuna in oil. So I've thrown the oil out and just breaking the chunks. If you don't have tuna, you can always do it with something else like mackerel or Bangladeshi fish like boal, air, rui. Because all you need to know is you need to have fish without bones. So just make sure all the bones are out if you do subsidize instead of tuna. So let's get this tuna in here. And then I've got some mashed potatoes, just boiled plain potatoes. Break that into pieces. This item has to be very smooth. Yeah, so. And then the ingredients, I've got some green and red chilies chopped here, fine. I'll use all of them. They're not very hot, so. And then I've got some thin sliced onion, not much, maybe half an onion. Very thin sliced, not much, because when you're frying you don't want the tuna and potato to break. And then I've got some jeera powder, so just a teaspoon of that. I've got salt according to taste, so just half a teaspoon of that, maybe a little bit more. Mix this up. My kids, when I used to make this when they were little, what they used to do, as soon as I fry it and put it on a plate, that's it, it was gone. It never came to the table. They love this item. It's nice, light, it's not deep fryer, and it's very easy for anyone to prepare, and it only takes 4 ingredients. It needs to be very, very smooth. There we go, I think this is ready. You can see the texture. It's a very nice light item to eat during Ramadan. So I'll just make this into fillets. So this is all done. I've done the fillets and I'll just now, let's go and fry. Here we have the tuna fillet that we mixed earlier on. Oil, just normal cooking oil. So we're just gonna, it's heated up. As you can see, it's hot now. So just put this in. So I've added all the fillets in and we're just gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, no more than that. When the other side is crispy, we'll turn it over. This is a very nice item. You can have it during Ramadan. It's healthy, nutritious, and this is an item I picked up about 2 decades, about 20 years ago when I was in high school. One of my teachers, she had brought this item in an Eid party. So I had asked her then, what did you put in? She said, oh, it's very simple. You can cook it at home. It won't take you more than 5 minutes. And I still remember. So every Ramadan or when we have guests in, I cook this item. So okay, we're gonna cover this and we're gonna leave it for 3 minutes and we'll come back and turn it over. It's now ready to turn over. How you would recognize that it's cooked on the other side is you can see the edges has gone slightly brown. So what we're going to do is just turn this over very delicately as it's very soft so it doesn't break. Once this side is done, it'll be hard, so then you can't break it anyway. And it's very tasty. It's just mouth-watering. Once it's cooked, you'll have it one after the other. Now let's leave this for another 3 minutes. You can see 3 minutes on both sides. It's gone all puffy and soft. Okay, so now this is all done. Now we can get it ready for plating. Remember, you can make this with any fish. This is with tuna. You can get any boneless fish, mackerel, tuna, salmon, or Bangladeshi fish. For example, boal mach, remach. So it's all ready to be served. We'll now put it on a plate and serve this. So here we are, the tuna fish fillets. We've had it ready in 15-20 minutes, as I said earlier on. So do not forget to try it at home. It's a very delicious item. And please don't forget to watch and subscribe. Thank you.